the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away. Baby, don't hold back, all you've gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. We've been drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me.
I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't wanna see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. 'Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, 'cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, 'cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me I got no real reason to worry, my mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one?